Okay, so today I brined my chicken in this good stuff, mostly ginger. I thought it would work, and this is natural cinnamon. Okay, and the other stuff, I'm just gonna get it and put it in the dish here. Looks really big. Okay, look at that. It's been in there for a few hours. This is what we are using. Alrighty, so it's ready. I'll put some everywhere. Wherever it can go, it will go there. I'll do a little massage. Look at that. Oh, cinnamon stuck in here. Oh, no, you didn't spill it. Yeah, I'm just excited for the bird. Look at that. Excuse my cold-driven self today. I have a cold, but I will still cook. Look at the bird. Big and beautiful. Yep. OMG. I have to flip it. Come on now. Yes, there we go. Okay. I'll put more and then I'll put it in the oven. Sounds like a plan. I want it to really be tasty. And I made a lot of this. So let's go. Looks really all over the place. I can actually do this. Oh, what I put in my mix is olive oil. I used a creamer because I didn't want to use milk today. I used creamer. I used paprika. I used, what is the thing that, oatmeal, I think it's called. If not, then I'll find out what that is called. I used a bunch of stuff. I used honey. I used regular curry, which is curry we usually bring especially for this reason. Not exactly, but it's good curry. And I used really good flavors. I used garlic and I put it in a blender just to make it look this good. Let's go. Okay, so now this is ready to drop in the oven. I just covered it with foil so it can keep the juice for now. And here is the long-awaited drop. Let's go. We're gonna keep watching it. Excuse my oven. And last, let's go. Here's what I'm making. These are homemade fries from the freezer. Let's wait and see how they turn out. I hope crispy. Let's go. All right. Look at this. They are golden brown. I think we achieved the look. I'll check it out. Yep. That's the look I was waiting for. Golden brown. Golden brown. Amazing. Looks good. I think they should get out of there. And there I'll get them out of. Yo, that was a bad idea. Alrighty, I'm gonna find another way. There is always another way. You hear me? Yep. You do hear me. There is another way. There is always another way. Another way is there. Yep. Madam. Genius stuff. Maybe they're too golden brown. What do you think? But I like it. I like them that way because they needed to be harder than normal, than usual. You know, potatoes from the house usually don't turn out. So I decided to wait for them to become this good. And boy, did they turn out great. Bon potatoes. You say what? I say what? Say bon potatoes. That's the color I was going for. I rarely eat potatoes, and when I do, they are usually fries. So here we go. You are invited. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you all cooked some good stuff. I did. I love to cook and eat what I cook. So this is gonna be really good. Oops. Look at that. They are as good as they look. So we gotta weigh them out to get this out of the food. Let the oil drain out, and then later I'll show you what's up. This is what we achieved with our fries. They're actually really good texture, and I'm amazed. So we're gonna serve this today. Bon appetit. Well, shall we check on it? Yes, we will. Ah, delightful, Lord Joyce. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. I tied the legs. You can see that. This is going backward, but that's fine. I'm gonna give it a crisp on top. So I'll put the soup in the pan, and then I'll put some vegetables in there. Let's go. Oh well, as you can see, I drained the chicken. I put the soup in the pan. I want to put some vegetables in here. It might be good for us. I am trying to avoid eating cold salad, so I'll try put some in there. Let's see my favorite tool. Put some in there. This salad I made yesterday. I thought warming it up will be better for me. It's more edible warm today. Okie dokie. Okay. Looks ready to be put back. I think I should put some in the middle too. for the whole thing to be ready. Got onions, better off yet. It is now healthy and ready to go. These fell in here. I'll put them back in my pan, because why not? And I'll sprinkle some of this sauce. That's good sauce for people who like what they call gravy. Amen. Look at that. Merry Christmas, y'all. Enjoy your day and eat responsibly. Drink responsibly too. I'll put this back. I hope I can carry this. Yep, I do. I got it. And then I'll broil. Now, there we have it. Out of chef's mouth. Is that what they call it? Absolutely, yeah. Woo, girl, I can cook. It is ready to manja. I know. Probably left it longer, but whatever. It looks amazing and ready to be eaten. Bon appetit. Yeah, I invited. Look at that. Those legs. I wonder where I should cut first, but I'll see. Okay, this is what I'm serving myself for Christmas. Of course, I'm gonna make a plate for myself and for everyone. Yeah, I invited. Yep, bon appetit. Alrighty. Of course, there is vegetables in here. I'll go with these because I don't feel like cold ones. And then I'll cut some of this for myself. Healthy, yummy, well-made chicken. I'll cut some of that and then put on my plate. Okay, that's the serving for myself. Okay, so I made fries because this is what I've not eaten in a while, so I thought fries would go with chicken. Ooh la la. Yep, that's probably enough. And I have sauce from my chicken going like that and like that. Did I make 5-star fries? Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, girl. It is going down. Bon appetit. I left my chicken halfway because I cut the head, the chest off. Yeah, I'll be eating my food. Let's try it, actually. I am the trier and the chef. I don't have a knife here, but let's go. Tender, juicy, yummy. Bon appetit. Merry Christmas, everybody.